Today we are doing exercise 12.3, question number 5. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of the temperature drop remains the same, how many degree will the temperature drop in the last 10 days? In the next 10 days, so first of all, we will find the temperature dropped in 1 day, and after that, we will find the temperature dropped in 10 days. Now, let us find out. Now this is the solution of question number 5, exercise 12.3. First of all, we will write temperature dropped in 30 days. This is 15 degrees Celsius. Now we will find temperature dropped in 1 day. Now here we will divide this 15 by 30. Now 15 manza, 15 2za, so it is 1/2 degrees Celsius. Now temperature dropped in 10 days. Now we will multiply here 1/2 by 10. This is 5 degrees Celsius. Now answer is 5 degrees Celsius. Now this is question number 6. Saina pays rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains same? So here first of all we will find the rent for 1 month, and after that we will find the rent for 12 months. Now this is the solution of question number 6. Saina pays 7,500 rent for 3 months. So here we will write rent for 3 months. This is rupees 7,500. Now we will write rent for 1 month. Now here we will divide this 7,500 by 3. Now answer is 2,500. Now we will find the rent for 12 months. Because it is asking for finding the rent for a whole year. A whole year contains 12 months. So here we will multiply this by 12. Now answer is 30,000. Now this is question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50, or we can say 12 rupees 50 paise? So first of all we will find the cost of 1 dozen. After that we will find the cost of 1 banana, and after that we will find the number of bananas that can be purchased for rupees 12.50. Now let us find out. Now this is question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen bananas. So 4 dozen bananas, here it is rupees 60. Then cost of 1 dozen banana. So we will here find 1 dozen. This is 60 upon 4, or we can say here this is rupees 15. And you know that the cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 15, means cost of 12 bananas. 1 dozen contain 12 bananas. So cost of 12 bananas is rupees 15. Now we will find the cost of 1 banana. Now cost of 1 banana, here we will divide this 15 by 12. Then answer is rupees 1.25, means rupees 1 and 25 paise. Now here we are required to find how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50. Now here we will write bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50, then it is 12.50 divided by 1.25. So now remove this decimal and cut. These are 10 bananas. Now this is question number 8. Weight of 72 books is 9 kilogram. What is the weight of 40 books? So first of all we will find the weight of one book, and after that we will find the weight of 40 books. Now let us find out. Now this is the solution of question number 8. Here is given weight of 72 books. This is 9 kilogram. Now we will find weight of one book. This is 9 upon 72. So we can cut 9 ones are 9 8s are. So here answer is 1 upon 8. Then we will find weight of 40 books. This is 1 upon 8 multiplied by 40. Now this is 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram is the answer. Now this is question number 9. A truck requires 108 liter of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometer. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometer? So here first of all we will find out how the diesel required for covering 1 kilometer, and after that we will find the diesel required for 1650 kilometer by the unitary method. Now let us solve it. Now this is the solution of question number 9. Now here we will write diesel required for diesel required for 594 kilometer. This is 108 liter. Now we will find diesel required for 1 kilometer. Then it is 108 upon 594 liter. After that we will find, here it can be cut by 2, it can be cut by 9 directly. We will cut it by 9. This is 12. This is 9 6 are 54 and again 6 are. Now by 6 it is 2 are and it is 11 are. So here you can see this is 2 upon 11 liter. Now we will find diesel required for 1650 kilometer. Then here 2 upon 11 multiply 1650. Now we will reduce this. So 11 ones are 11, 5s are 50. Now 150 multiplied by 2, then it is 300 liter. So 300 liter diesel is required for this. This is question number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pen cheaper? So first of all here we will find the cost of 1 pen for Raju and then cost of 1 pen for Manish. And after finding 1 pen cost for Raju and Manish, we will decide who got pen cheaper. Now this is question number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish purchases 7 pens for 84. Now here for Raju, we will find the cost of 1 pen for both. For Raju, cost of 1 pen is equal to 150 upon 10. Now it is rupees 15. Then for Manish, cost of 1 pen, this is 84 upon 7, then rupees 12. Now here who got the pens cheaper? So here we can write Manish got the pens cheaper. Now this is question number 11. Anish made 42 runs in the 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. So first of all, one by one we will find out the runs made in 1 over by Anish and the Anup, and then we will decide who score more runs. Now let us find out. Now this is question number 11. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs. So here we will write Anish made runs per over. Per over means in 1 over. So here 42 upon 6 we are required to do. Then it is 7 runs. And then Anup made runs per over. Then this is 63 upon 7. Now here you can see 9 runs. So who made more runs? So here Anup made more runs.